welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Now go dedicate to all my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. I see you guys here. And to the old ones, welcome back to the family. So this is the look that I created using the new Juvia'S place, one of their palette that I got. I kind of ranted about it on my last video. Anyway, so it finally came, and yeah, I kind of like put it to use. I like the pigmentation of it, and yeah, even though there was some couple fallout, which is okay, I can manage it. And these are the colors right there. Very beautiful colors. You can use it to create different kinds of look. So this is the look that I created by using this Juvia'S place palette. And also you guys can see the glow on my face. Like, dang, where is she coming from? What does she think she is? Oh, girl. Anyway, so this is one of the other things also that I ordered from Juvia'S. This is their Nubian loose highlighter, and yeah, so that's what I use to highlight my cheekbone. I hope you guys like this look, and if you do, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, okay? Share with your friends, comment below, and don't forget to also subscribe to my channel. Until next time, without much further ado, let's get into this tutorial. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Ciao. Hey guys, we are back again. Hey. How is everybody doing? So we're going to get right into this tutorial. All right, so guess what, guys? Juvia'S place finally sent my items. Can you imagine? Like, they finally sent my item right there. Right there. Look, this and this. The Nubian loose highlighter, and they are freak. I already primed my face. I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm going to use that also as my primer. So since I got my palette from Juvia'S place, I'm just going to put that to use. Alright, so I'm going to be using darker is this reddish orange color, so I'm going to use that as my transition color. Let's see how do this work. Pigmented. So I'm going to take this yellow color right there, and I'm going to use that to clean up the edges. I'm going in the same palette, and I'm taking Côte d'Ivoire. Côte d'Ivoire is a state, I think, in Burkina Faso, in France. I'm not sure. So I'm going to take that. It's a blue shade, blue color. I'm going to take that, and I'm going to gently apply it on my crease. So I'm going to create like a halo over my crease section. Taking it in. I'm going to take this shimmer color. This is from Angelique. This is Angelique, rather. It's not from Angelique. It is Angelique. So I'm going to take Angelique, and I'm going to apply that on my brow bone. I'm going to take Togo from the same palette. I'm going to take Togo, and I'm going to apply that on the middle of my eyes, like that, and go over my eyelid. So I'm going to go back to this brush that I used to apply the blue color, and I'm going to add more of that blue. To bring out the blue shade, and also on the outer corner as well. So I'm going to be using this my pan. I'm going to use that to moisturize my face. So something happened to my face the other day. This makeup tutorial that I'm just getting to do now, I've been wanting to do it since on Tuesday. So while I was preparing, I used this shaving face cream, like, you know, because I have some facial hair. But applying it, the moment I put on the cream, started burning my face. So like right now I can feel the patches, you know, the dry patches on my skin. So because of that, I couldn't like do the tutorial on Tuesday. Today is Thursday, as you guys can see, but you guys cannot actually see it though. If I happen to have like lighter skin, you would have seen it, like you would have seen the redness all over my face. But thank God it kind of like dried down right now, but it's just the patches, like the dry patches that I'm feeling on my face, like touching it and stuff. This is crazy. It is crazy. So also I'm going to take my tea tree facial mist. I'm going to apply that over my face. I'm taking my my Becca Ever Matte Polish Primer. I'm going to use that also on the places that I sweat more. I got this Professional Kiss New York foundation. This is their Pro Touch Drop foundation, and I have this in caramel. So this is my first time using this foundation. I've never used it before, and let's see how it works. And this is like my perfect shade. I'm going to be using my Fawn Elegant Pro Concealer in front. I'm going to use that to highlight my face. So guys, I know I've been saying this lately. I've been saying it lately, and what it is be intentional. Be intentional about whatever you want to do. 2018 is almost over. 2019 is like just few more days. So be intentional with whatever it is that you want to do. Be intentional. Whatever it is you set your mind to, pray, work at that thing that you set your minds to do, and you know, go for it. So be intentional. Whatever it is that you want to do, you want to travel, my dear, travel. If you have the money, travel. You want to set a goal for yourself. I mean, you have to set a goal for yourself, you know. Okay, so I'm taking my MAC Pro Concealer and Correct palette. This is in the dark. So I'm going to take the darker shade here, right there, and I'm going to use that to contour my cheek. I'm going to set it with my setting powder. This is the Makeup Revolution London. So I'm going to be using my Sleek Face Contour Kit pressed powder. I'm going to use a darker shade in there, and I'm going to use that to contour my cheekbone. I'm taking my CoverGirl Green Collection Ebony Bronze. I'm going to use that to bronze my cheek. So I'm going to be using the Juvia'S Place the Nubian loose highlighter, so I'm going to use that. This is my first time, I've not opened it. As you can see, the stuff is still in there. So I'm gonna take a little. Alright.